Hello kids, today we are learning the table of 2. Now let's start. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16, 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20, 2 tens are 20. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15, 3 fives are 15. 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. 3 sevens are 21, 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24, 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27, 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30, 3 tens are 30. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12, 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20, 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24, 4 6 are 24. 4 sevens are 28, 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32, 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36, 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40, 4 tens are 40.